Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 8th of January, 2018, and yes, I am still tired. I stayed up way too late watching the national championship football game. Go Tigers. Today's temperature, high is 42 degrees, low tonight is 28 degrees. There's a 70% chance of rain right about the same time as recess and lunches. So just kind of keep your ears open whether or not we stay in or go out. Our weekly PBIS expectations down in the cafeteria. We need to make sure that we're walking at all times. Like I said yesterday, today's grape day. Step on a grape and you're running, you're going to hit the ground and it is going to hurt. Keep your hands and feet to yourself. That is at all times. Even if you say you're just playing, you still need to keep your hands and your feet to yourself at all times. And then if you spill something, just let us know. Mr. Bob, Miss Cassie, Miss Star, they'll help you clean it up. Or they'll give you the materials to clean it up, or they might even do it themselves, depending on how nice you are when you ask. And then remember to be responsible. Remember to be respectful while in the cafeteria as well. Special announcement from Miss Krieger. Are you a 4th or a 5th grade student? Know the basics of chess. Miss Krieger is holding chess club after school every Wednesday and alternating Mondays until the Phil Willard Memorial Tournament in March. You must have a recommendation from your teacher and signed permission slip from your parent in order to participate. Grades and behavior will be looked at to determine eligibility. Talk to Miss Krieger if you have any questions. Let's see. Lunch today is that terrific taco. Like I said, down there are some red grapes. Of course, there's crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at 4-meat pizza or cheese pizza, green beans, pears, crunchy baby carrots. And then special announcement, just a reminder that this Friday is our reteach day. Today, or not today, maybe today, not really. The 25th of the month is a half day for students. Just a reminder, staff, we have a faculty meeting following school. We'll be looking at PBIS Tier 2, Tier 3 referrals, as well as I'm going to give you a significant chunk of the time to work in your grade levels on the Project Lead the Way curriculum. All right, and then if we can please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.